it had your name on it, my man. You're the grand prize winner of a '69 Chevelle or $100,000 in cash.
Are you being for real?
I am 100% for real.
What the hell?
So the person I'm about to call is going to have a choice between this 1969 Chevelle or $100,000 in cash. And again, that person has not been contacted at all. So we're going to make the call here live. I think we're the only company that does this live, right? Does that make us dumb or brave? Anyone? Both. All right, we'll go with both. Oh, we got a ring. It's promising.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
We got parked right to voicemail. We're getting rings.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message. Your call has been.
All right, let me fire a text real quick. I always hate ending these live streams without actually getting a hold of someone.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, I'm trying to reach Brody.
Yeah. Sorry, I was in the shower, my man.
Oh, I apologize. I didn't mean to bother you. Hey, so this is Chris from RestoMods calling.
Yeah.
Well, hey, I know that you're busy and you just got out of the shower, and this is kind of crazy, but we give away a car about every 3 months. You signed up a year ago to win a 1971 Hemi Challenger, and you've kept your membership active since then.
Mm-hmm.
And your membership earns you entries every single month.
All right.
And so right now we're giving away a 1,000 horsepower 1969 Chevelle. And I just got an email today from my sweepstakes company, and it had your name on it, my man. You're the grand prize winner of a '69 Chevelle or $100,000 in cash.
Are you being for real?
I am 100% for real.
What the hell?
It's crazy, right? I mean, you can verify. Right now we're streaming live on our YouTube channel. We're at, youtube.com/RestoMods. You can see me sitting at my goofy little table right here calling you.
All right, Ben, let me look it up real quick.
He's going to look it up. I love this. We're verifying.
This is crazy.
Pretty wild, right?
Hell yeah.
You're our 22nd winner. We've given this will be the 22nd car we've given away. We've been
crazy.
Yep.
22 is my favorite number, and I played football, and that was my number.
Oh, you were number 22?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird how life works out sometimes. That's the good part about staying a member. You get entries every single month, and as long as your name's in the hat for the random draw, you're going to get picked.
Hell yeah, man. If you could afford it, do it. It's worth it.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a good line right there. So yeah, man, I mean, if you want, go ahead and do some research. Check out the car. You get a choice between that car or $100,000 in cash.
Okay.
We'll get the prize to you no matter what you choose. We will get that over to you. And man, this is blowing my mind. I've done this. This is the 22nd time I've done this. And a 21-year-old kid winning something like this and having a passion like that for classic cars is just, it's incredible, man. I'm so happy for you. And again, thank you for your support. And hopefully we get to meet in person and get you behind the wheel of this thing.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Awesome, man. Well, hey, congratulations again. And I'll talk to you soon.
All right. Sounds good. Bye.
Okay, bye. Woo, that was crazy. So congratulations to Brody, and I don't want to release all of his info until he officially accepts the prize. But again, thank you to all of you for your support. Without you, we couldn't be doing this. And again, the end of one sweepstakes is the beginning of another. So RM23 is right next to me, this beautiful 1968 GTO. And you could be putting yourself behind the wheel. So make sure you have those entries. Right now, it is 4 times entries at RestoMods.com. So go pick yourself up a hat, a t-shirt, stuff you might buy anyways. But if you buy it from us, you just might be getting a call from me, just like the one I just made. So again, congratulations to Brody, and good luck to everybody else in RM23. Thank you, guys.